Hey, what's up? Once again, it's your man Big John Restoration of Virginia Beach. We got this 1987 Buick Grand National that came in. It was hit real hard on the passenger side. But as you can see, we already did the repairs on it. All the before pictures on Facebook under John's Restoration. Log in, become a friend. You can see all the latest pictures and videos. It's an 87. So since we had to repair the front, the customer decided to go ahead and pay to get the whole car repainted. So we painted the whole vehicle. This is not a clone, it's a real Grand National. After the car was painted, it was wet sanded and buffed out. That's why the gloss is so deep. Everybody that paints, you know it's hard to paint black. Then it's hard to wet sand and buff black till you don't have no swirls or nothing in it. This is how it looks now, no swirls, no blemishes. The car looks real wet. John's Restoration, Virginia Beach, Virginia, 757-713-2277, where we do insurance claims, collision repair, upholstery, vinyl and rag tops, spray and bed liners, also custom sound systems. So if you need any speaker boxes built or any custom audio, we order it and install it. So give us a call so we can do your vehicle from inside out and get you ready for the shows and get you looking just like this. 1987 Buick Grand National.